Hi everyone, hope everyone's doing fine today. Here's Abdul, and today we have another unboxing. As you can see from the packaging, we have a Laco, one of the old school Flieger watches from Germany, the pilot's watches. And this is thanks to a friend of the channel, my friend Haroon. Thank you so much for sending your watches to be reviewed. And follow his Instagram watchmade. I'll leave a link in the description. So thanks again for sending me the watch to test out. And let's open the box. So ticking already. As you can see the ticking, it's an automatic watch. So this Laco model is Augsburg 39. So it's a 39 millimeter Flieger. I think that's called type A Flieger if I'm not mistaken. So this Laco has a Miyota caliber 821 automatic movement with a hand wind and hacking. I think it's a little bit decorated from Laco and worked on from Laco as well, as we will see from the case back. It has 42 hours of power reserve. It has sapphire front and back as well. And the watch is, let's get the caliper, 39 millimeters in diameter, 46.5 lug to lug, with a thickness of 11.5, with lug width of 20 millimeters. It has a 5 Atmos water resistance, so 50 meters of water resistance. It has hand winding, as you can hear. And the watch on the bracelet actually weighs 81.5 grams. And as we will see, one of the biggest attraction of this watch is the strong loom. It has a Super Luminova C3 loom. And as you can see, this Flieger style loom is excellent. I have this one, the Flieger Citizen, same style. And I really like this watch because it's very clean. It doesn't have a date. The dial is very clean, very functional. Really a nice everyday watch. The only thing I would have added on was a bit of more water resistant, maybe a screw down crown instead of 50 to 100, just to make it a perfect everyday watch. Take it on holiday type of watch. And let's see the case back here. As you can see, I'm trying to get it to focus. Sorry about that. Here, as you can see, you have the rotor. You have a little bit of Code de Genève on the movement. Sapphire crystal, 5 Atmos, all stainless steel to describe the watch. So let's put it on the wrist. And this is an invitation to like and subscribe. And if you have any watches that you want to be reviewed, let's communicate and see what we can do. And here we have the watch on my wrist. For reference, I have a 17 centimeter, 17.1 centimeter wrist, depending on the weather. And as you can see, I really like the bracelet. I have to say, I'm a big, you know me, I'm a bit NATO guy. I'm a big strap person, but I have to say, this strap, even though it has this male end links on the end, but due to the fact that it's compact, it just works on my wrist. I think any wrist from 16 centimeter even, so 5.5 inches or something like this upwards, I think it will work quite nicely. From side, from the back. And it doesn't have that, it has a combination of finishes. As you can see, it has a little bit of polished finishing, but I think it's more or less vertical brushes, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section. Minimal chamfers. Really, the main attraction is the dial, and as you can see, the dial is very visible and excellent loom, as we showed before. And I think this is this type of watches is just more for legibility. So this watch is very legible. As you can see, the hands are big. The minute hand is much longer than the hour hand, and it just looks really nice. I think it doesn't have any AR coating. It might have an AR coating, not sure. I have to test it out in the sun. But anyways, let me know in the comment section what you think about the watch, and if you have any questions, also leave them in the comment section. And as always, it's an invitation to like, subscribe, hit the bell button, and hopefully see you in the next one. yeah, and be sure to tune in for the review video of this Laco. And I think I will also compare it maybe to the other Fliegers I have. I have the Citizen and I have also the Fortis. Maybe I'll put it in some comparison, not a versus, because they are totally different watches. But I think as a Flieger trio, if we're talking about an everyday watch, a weekend watch is the Fortis, and this is the Beater watch, and they are all with the same style, same kind of configuration of the dial. I think they would work quite nicely. So let me know in the comment section. And again, thanks for watching.